Hey everybody, Cam Right Now here with Forest River Impression. Today we're going to take a look at the 330BH. Let's go take a look. As we head inside now to take a look at the kitchen, as we go through some of the top features, one of the things you'll notice is we do come standard with our stove here, as well as our 3-burner cooktop and our microwave as well. One of the unique features Impression has on every single floor plan is a matching drawer down below for any extra pots or pans for extra storage. As we take a look at the refrigerator, we use a 10 cube 12-volt refrigerator. One of the nice things about this is it ties in directly with our solar package. As you can see, we include an island with this floor plan, which is really nice for prepping any meals that you want to make. It also adds extra room for any doing dishes or anything like that. One of the key features, and probably the best feature in this floor plan, is the amount of storage it has. With the 330BH, double pantry, ceiling to floor, it even has extra storage boxes inside of it. It's also got tons of storage up top here with extra room for any extra things that you guys want to bring along. There is also room down below for any brooms, trash cans, or anything like that. Right across from the kitchen island, we have a table and chairs. One of the nice things about our table and chairs, the table actually goes in if you want it shorter, or you can have this little edge out for longer room. One of the unique features with the Impression lineup across all of our floor plans that we did this year was added curtains. So these curtains are actually blackout curtains similar to last year's where we had the blackout shades, but the nice thing with this is it gives it a little bit more aesthetic, as well as adding these window trim boxes around to really have that aesthetic appeal. As we head on over to right across from the entertainment center, we'll have our trifold sofa. This will actually pull out into a full queen size bed, as well as your couch here. Heading on over to the entertainment center now, we'll have a 50-inch TV, as well as tons of storage included with our Furrion soundbar, which is a dual zone soundbar, so listen to music inside or watch the game outside. You can do both at the same time. As well, included in our entertainment center is our 30-inch Furrion fireplace, which heats up to about 5,500 BTU. So on a nice fall day, you don't want to run your heat, this is a nice feature to have to turn that on. For heating and cooling in this unit, as well as all other Impressions, standard we include one 15K AC unit by Coleman Mach, as well as a 35,000 BTU furnace. We also do include a second AC prep, which would be a 13.5 if they so choose. Let's go take a look at the bunk room now in this 330BH. As we head on back, one thing you'll notice immediately is, again, tons of storage throughout this unit. We also have our Versa Queen bed here, which sits as a sofa, as well as pulls out into a full queen size bed. Up top here, you'll see we've got bunk mats and a ladder that will pull out as well for any of the kids or extra storage up here. You'll see that we have tons of windows back here as well, so you do get that panoramic view as you would in our front here. One of the unique features on this floor plan that we don't include on any other floor plans is it is a dual entry unit. So there's both front entrance here and a rear entrance here in the back as well that will lead straight into the bathroom. Heading up to the front of the coach here, one thing you'll notice as we continued as well as last year's model to this year's model is we do include the freestanding stairs. One of the great features about having this is it's great for shoe storage or any extra storage you want to put down below there. In the main bathroom, as you can see here, we do include a vanity mirror, as well as that will open up and provide some storage for you for any of your bathroom needs, as well as you add extra storage down below. Looking at the toilet now, this is a porcelain foot flush toilet. As we head into the shower now, one thing you'll notice is we did add extra head height with our skylight here. And one of the things that we do different in Impression is we actually include a plywood base underneath our shower. So you're not, as you step in, bending it or feeling like you're going to fall through, it actually provides more support for you. As you can see here in the front of the 330BH in the master bedroom, we also do include, again, tons of storage throughout the unit. In the bedroom here, we provide a full closet for hanging clothes, as well as baskets down below for, again, folded clothes or any other storage that you want to bring along. With our bed, we're going to have a 60 by 80 true queen size bed. And included in this bed, we do have storage down below here, which is perfect for any clothes that you're going to bring along for any extra storage that you'll need. On both sides of the bed, we do have closets here with hanging baskets that will include any folded laundry that you want to add, as well as some storage down below and 12-volt and USB ports as well. One of the unique things on all these floor plans is that we do include a automotive windshield in our front cap, which is going to provide awesome natural light, whether it be in your front living room or in this case in the 330BH, it will provide awesome natural light coming in through the bedroom. One of the unique features on every single floor plan with Impression is that we include a stackable washer dryer prep. So with this closet here, all you will do is remove the panels, add your stackable washer dryer prep, and you're good to go. Outside the unit, we're going to hit on some of the top exterior features, starting with our front cap with our automotive windshield. So we use actually a gel coat front cap on our front cap, which is actually going to prevent fading and oxidizing of the color of that white look as time goes on. With our Rhino pin box, the reason we chose to go with this pin box is it actually supports our frame. So with our frame, it's a space saver upper deck, which basically means within our unit, it increases the head height in the bedroom, and in the front living, it increases that as well. So with this unit, as you walk into the bedroom, one of the things you'll notice is it's a fully walk-around queen-size bed. Moving forward now, one of the standard features we're also gonna have is our 4-point auto-level system, which will include controls on the inside of the pass-through storage. One of the key features as things start to get cooler around here is we actually have a heated and enclosed accessibility. Now what that means is we have 12-volt heat pads on all your tanks, which will switch on automatically once it hits a certain temperature. On top of that, we have a direct air vent that goes through there. It's not radiant heat, which comes off of the pipes. It's actually one direct air that goes in there. For the accessibility, what that means is we actually have removable panels down below, so if any maintenance is needed, you can actually just pop one side off, it'll drop down, get under there. It's very easy and simple to get to. Another top feature with the Impression lineup, again, this is standard across all floor plans, is our Goodyear Endurance tires. With the Goodyear Endurance tires, is 87 mile per hour speed rated. This is also a 1-year no excuse guaranteed warranty through our supplier Lion's Head. On the 330BH, we do also include an outdoor kitchen. So we will have a small mini fridge up top here, as well as a griddle down below. This will also include another drawer for any storage of spatulas or anything like that that you want to keep for cooking outside. As we head into the 2023 model year, one standard feature that's changed is we include a 30-amp charge controller as well as a 100-watt solar roof panel. One of the unique things with the 100-watt roof panel is it's plug and play up to 500 watts. Thank you guys for coming to take a look at the 330BH with me. If you guys have any questions or want to look at other Impression floor plans, head to our website at forestsriverinc.com/impression.